Hello guys, so I've been using the B12 website builder for a while now, and honestly, it has been a game changer for me. When my old site creator stopped being supported, I was worried about learning a new platform and potentially losing momentum in my business. But moving to B12 turned out to be way easier than I expected. That transition alone removed a lot of stress, especially as someone who just wanted to keep things running smoothly. The first thing that stood out was how quick it was to get started. You just tell the AI what your business does and the purpose of your site, whether that's selling products, booking services, or collecting leads, and it sets everything up in a professional way. My website was live in a matter of hours, which blew me away because I used to spend weeks tweaking templates on other platforms, second-guessing design choices, and trying to make everything look right. The interface is smooth, the navigation is seamless, and even as someone who isn't super technical, I didn't run into major struggles. Everything feels well-organized and logical, so you're not hunting through menus to find basic settings. What I really like is how user-friendly it feels, almost like it was designed for beginners, but still powerful enough for someone building a business from scratch and planning to grow over time. Over time, I learned to edit and add things myself, like updating content, adjusting layouts, or adding new pages, but anytime I got stuck, the customer support team stepped in. Their support is honestly one of the best parts about B12. They are quick, professional, and you can tell they actually care about helping you succeed. I had a couple of great experiences with their team helping me adjust features, and they always made sure I left the conversation with everything working perfectly and clearly explained. Another big plus for me has been how much is built into one place. It's not just websites, they also give you tools for contact management, online scheduling, payments and invoicing, and even SEO. For business owners and Shopify sellers especially, having these tools connected in one platform saves a ton of time. I love the fact that I can run so many parts of my business directly from the same platform instead of juggling multiple subscriptions and logins. That said, SEO is always competitive and takes months to show results, so you definitely still need a strategy beyond just having the site, like creating content or targeting the right keywords. But B12 does cover all the basics like fast load times, responsive design, metadata, and automated sitemaps, which gives you a solid foundation to build on and helps your site stay technically optimized from day one. I do think pricing could be a little more flexible. For example, the trial starts at $1 for 3 months, which is nice and gives you time to test things out. But I kind of wish they had something like a free 3-month trial instead. Also, I found out that certain invoicing and payment features work best if you are based in the US. So as someone who deals with clients internationally, that was a small limitation. But integrations do exist, and you can work around it with external tools if needed. Overall though, B12 helped me get a professional-looking site up faster than I imagined, and it has made my business feel way more credible. It feels like more than just a website builder because of all the extra tools and the level of customer service they offer. If someone is starting fresh or just wants a no-stress way to get a polished website without a steep learning curve, I definitely recommend giving it a shot.